tuning in and are able to see, the first thing we're going to do is introduce our little frog buddy here, tree frog. And in just a minute, we're going to try to get him to eat for you. White's tree frogs are from Australia. They are nocturnal, so he doesn't like being out here in the daylight very much. And Mystery is kind of a baby-ish aged tree frog. He's not a tap programs. We want to introduce him, and we're going to try to get him to eat. And while he's eating or trying to escape, as the case may be, we will tell you a little bit about what's coming up this week. So I'm putting his crickets. So Mystery eats crickets. I don't know. It does not move, so he can't eat. He has to eat live food. Boop. All right, buddy. There's your crickets. Nope, look for the crickets. Don't jump out. Okay, so we have him there. Okay, so while he's eating, if you watch very, very closely, I'm trying to see if we can see him a little better. Do you see him in the corner there? I'm probably making him nervous moving this thing around. But, so anyway, so this week, remember that you can pick up your first week craft kits still, as long as supplies last. We have plenty. Just come on in and ask at the front desk for your craft kits. And then coming up, we have on Tuesday, we have our Family Fun Fest for school-age readers. On Wednesday, you'll be able to pick up your craft kits for week 2. For our teenagers. We also have on Thursdays, we have Literacy and Learning at 11 a.m. for our very youngest readers. And then on Friday, we have Field Trip Friday, and you don't want to miss those. There will be posts to our Facebook so that you can link over to our YouTube to see our Field Trip Fridays. Well, just do remember you can still sign up online at SCPL. Week here is we have our reading tree, and we're going to hide it somewhere in Mystery's container here, so when you come to see him at the library, you'll have to keep a lookout for our mystery tree, because this week's theme is library tales. So we have our reading tree as part of our Mystery Mondays. So Mystery looks like he's trying to jump out. No, come here. Mystery is climbing around on us here, and so he is